In this BDRSuite How-To Series video, I will show you how to install Offsite DR on your Windows machine. Open your BDRSuite Backup Server console, enter your username and password, and click Sign In. Navigate to the Secondary Copy, Offsite DR menu, and click on Configure Offsite Copy DR. To download the Offsite DR, click the Download button. Once the download is complete, navigate to your download location. Right-click on the installer file and Run as Administrator. You'll see the welcome screen of the installer. Click Next to continue the installation. Now, review and accept the license agreement, then click Next. Offsite DR and its components will be installed in the default folder. You can also modify this location if you prefer. Then, select a drive for the database storage. By default, the drive with the maximum space available will be selected. Review the default Offsite DR server settings. If you prefer to modify any, click the Customize Settings button. Otherwise, click Install to proceed with the installation. BDRSuite Offsite DR server components are now being installed. This will take a few minutes. Let us wait for the installation to complete. BDRSuite Offsite DR Server is now successfully installed on your computer. Click Finish to open the Backup Server web console in a browser. You can access the BDRSuite Offsite DR console. The default username and password, both set to admin, will be auto-filled. Just click Sign In. Experience the full-featured version of BDRSuite Offsite DR in your environment with a 30-day free trial. Now open your Backup Server console to connect the Offsite DR server to the backup server. Navigate to Offsite DR option and enter the IP of the Offsite DR server, and click on Test Connection to test and establish connection between the BDRSuite server and the Offsite DR server. The connection is being tested. Now the connection between the Offsite DR server and the BDRSuite server have been successfully established, and the Offsite DR is successfully saved to the BDRSuite server. To know how to perform Offsite backup copy configuration refer the video in the description. For more details, visit our website or contact BDR Support. Thanks for watching.